Timo, a path! We can cross!
Whoa, over the lava? It's glowing!
I'll help you jump the gap! Okay, let's go! I made it! Thanks, Rexy! Rexy, this compass is going crazy. Which way now? Just keep following the path. Terry will show us. The mist is hiding something special. Oh no. This is the Valley of Flying Flowers? Everything is so pingrained and so wilted, blocking the waterfall. No wonder the flowers can't fly. Rexy, we need to move that boulder!
I'll push it. Watch this. Yes, there! Great job! We make a great team!
Wow, the water is coming back!
And look at all these beautiful butterflies! This is amazing!